I don't normally wear like blonde wigs, and lately I have become a little bit more adventurous, a little bit more courageous, a little bit more different, and a little bit just more not the ordinary basic April. Like, I don't want to be noticed by everyone, but I just want to be known. I want to feel different. I want to be happy. I want to sometimes stand out. I don't have to all the time, but for me, I just feel like it's time for me to just take a little leap out of the box. So this color was definitely out the box for me, and I was too scared to wear this. But now that I feel good about myself and everything is coming together, I think like I could wear any color that I want and I'll still be me. Now you understand why my head's just not bowed. I don't shout or jump about or have to talk real loud. When you see me passing, it ought to make you proud. So I say, it's in the click of my heels and the bends of my hair, the palm of my hand, the need of my care. 'Cause I'm a woman, phenomenally phenomenal woman. That's me.